But guys, follow me this way. I want to show you something really cool, okay? Like really cool. You're gonna be absolutely amazing. Hey, stick around because this is probably the coolest video that I have made yet. All right, we're here. I have nothing cool to show you guys. Actually, I just want to talk to you guys about making money. You guys like money, right? I like money. A lot of people say money's the root of all evil. It's not the root of all evil. Here's the big problem, okay? I'm gonna talk about money. I'm gonna talk about how I make money. I'm gonna talk about how you guys can get started. And hey, before we get anywhere, if you're brand new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. Okay, so here's the big problem I see. I'm gonna tell you guys about strategy, what we do, what I do to make money, what I've trained thousands of people. And it involves Instagram, it involves making money from your phone, and it involves real skill that you can monetize. But here's the big problem that we see, okay? You've got people coming out of college making $50,000 a year. And that's literally a statistic. It's popping up right now. $50,000 per year. And I don't care what country you're in, all right? Whether you're in capitalism, whether you're in socialism, it doesn't freaking matter. And the biggest problem that we see is $50,000 per year is about $32,000 take home at the most. So you're living in poverty. You're living in poverty at $60, $70, $80, $90,000 per year. It's poverty. You don't have the ability to take full control of your life. If something happens, you're screwed. You don't have the ability to do anything. It's like, do you want food? Do you want a roof over your head? Or do you want to go on like a vacation one day out of the week and be back to your shit 9-to-5 job? So I didn't go to college. The guy holding this camera right now recording this didn't go to college, didn't even graduate high school. We make money with Instagram. And when I was maybe 20, 21 years old, this started to really pique my interest. And at the time, Instagram only had like 500 million users. Now there's over 1 billion. They've created this community bringing all corners of the world together, 195 different countries, every single one of them being able to use Instagram. It's crazy. You're able to make content, you're able to monetize in dozens of different ways. And I'm gonna tell you guys, if you stick around to then, I'm gonna tell you the 3 top ways for monetizing Instagram, okay? The 3 top ways in 2019 for making money with Instagram, all right? And we're doing every single one of them. And before we get into these, I want you guys to know that I am not the guru that's gonna like tell you that hasn't actually done it. I produced all the results. You can see the testimonials everywhere. They're all over every single one of my websites, okay? So one of the things that I've realized is that if you cannot make 5 figures per month with it, it's not worth it. Because at say $10,000 a month, that's $120K a year. 120, this is how I look at it, guys. This is business, all right? $120,000 per year. You're gonna take home about $80, maybe $82,000 of that at the most. Now you divide that out over 12 months, that's about $6,500 to $6,800 a month. Even that is not enough, but you're getting somewhere at this point. It's scalable. You hit 10K a month, you've proven there's something here, I can scale this, it's working, okay? So that's really important. Now, way 1 to monetize Instagram in 2019 is e-commerce, huge. Fastest growing emerging market in the entire world right now. What is e-commerce? It's the sale of products online. That's all it is. Any product that can be bought online more efficiently than at a brick and mortar store, than having to drive in your car and go to Best Buy, will be bought online. Why do you think Jeff Bezos is worth so much money? Why do you think e-commerce is so huge? Taking an Instagram following and building authority in one niche, it could be babies, it could be cars, it could be makeup, it could be fashion, it could be working out, and directing people to the very products that you're posting, that they're following you for, highly monetizable. You'll convert massive amounts of sales just simply knowing to do it right. So way 1 of monetizing Instagram in 2019 is e-commerce, all right? If you're liking this video so far, make sure to smash that like button. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. I answer every single one of them, okay? So what's the second way? Second way is agency, all right? Not a social media marketing agency, too much competition, too many people. You don't need to do that. But Instagram media agency. Get extremely good at one thing, at Instagram. Don't be like, okay, don't be mediocre at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, AdWords, AdSense, all this stuff. One thing, go 110%, go all in, go deep, don't go wide, all right? When you know many things, simply 10%, it's a discredit and a disgrace to customers you're providing a service to, because you're not doing all that you could be doing for them. But when you do one thing extremely well, What did Bezos do really well? What did Zuckerberg do really well? What did Elon Musk do really well, okay? You become an expert and you're able to charge much more and you're able to get more results for your clients. So starting an Instagram media agency is huge. This is where you are charging clients $2,000 to $5,000 and upwards of $10,000 per month. That's what we do to consult and help them manage and grow their Instagram following and business. It's all Instagram related products and services, okay? And the next thing, guys, you know that you can get one person to simply click on something in your account, you can get paid? Here's what I mean by that. CPA marketing, not affiliate marketing, but CPA. This is where companies pay you to simply get clicks to their offers, to simply get leads to their offers. So the third best way to monetize Instagram in 2019, CPA marketing. And that is simply where you get people to click on the link in your bio, the swipe up in your story, you plug your IGTV video with the description with a link there, and you simply get people to click on that link. Now it doesn't matter if 5 people, 500 people, or 5,000 people in a month click on that. You can find CPA offers that pay you anywhere from $2 to $50 per click. Think about that, guys. If you're able to get just 50 clicks on a CPA offer that's paying you $50 per person, that's $2,500 in a month. Don't be fooled. There's so many people that focus on the likes and the follows and how many likes and impressions their duck faces get, but I've worked with so many influencers. We were talking to somebody today, has 600,000 followers. They're not able to make money with, they don't know how. They don't know how to provide goods, products, or services. They don't. That's what you need to focus on. Whether that is CPA marketing, whether that is starting your own Instagram media agency, or whether that is e-commerce, you need to figure out how to take your following and sell goods, products, or services. That's it. Stop focusing on the likes. There's a lot of people. Was working with somebody earlier this week, 400,000 followers, highly engaged account, hasn't made a dime, doesn't know how, got the content down, got the following figured out, but there is a major disconnect with trying to figure out how to monetize. And I'm stepping in and I'm like, look, do X, Y, and Z, and boom, $10,000 a month, okay? So guys, if you're watching this video right now, you already have a following, you're like, hey, I can't get it monetized yet, haven't figured it out how. Drop a comment, I'll help, okay? If you're brand new, you wanna be able to get started, included some resources in the description. My name is Ben Oberg, I'm here to help you. Hey, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and if you have any questions at all, drop a comment down below. I answer every single one of them, and I look forward to seeing your success on Instagram.